What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is called what? Without Me by by Halsey. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's start. For this one, we're gonna go, open your legs. So, we're gonna go to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, left weight, right weight. 5, 6. Right weight, change 7. Change to your left, 8. Alright, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, next, from here, shoulder, 1 and 2. Look to your right, 2, recover, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's 4 counts. From here, 6, 7, and shoulder, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Alright, good job. Next, go to your left, 1, 2. So 1, 2, push down, 3, 4. This is 5. Look back on 6. Stay on 7, 8. Alright, one more time. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look back on 6, 7, 8. So take time there. Next, from here, 7, 8, go 1, stay on 2, drop on 3, 4, 5, 6, hit 7, and 8. Roger, one more time. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? For 8. Let's try from the beginning first before we go on. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, let's go on. 7, 8. Next side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brush 5. Down on 6. Can you see? 7, 8. All right. One more time. Move back a little bit. So 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop on 6, 7, 8. So you need to balance here. 7, 8. Next. Then drag 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple as that. Then go up. Anything. You can use your hand or just simply go up. And 5, 6, 7. Hit on 8. Alright, one more time. Let's pick up from here. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 counts. The next one is 2 counts. 5, 6, brush 7, 8. Let's continue. Go up on 1, 2, 3, kick back, 4, step 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. From here, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up and down. Alright, for this one, move a little bit. 7, 7, 8, 1, 8 freestyle, anything, slowly. 7, and slowly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, close on 8. Alright, so simple. Let's go on. Next, for the last 8, move back step. 1, 2, 3, 4, pass. 5, 6. Punch on 7, 8. Slow down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. That's it. Let's try one more time, the last one. So you're going up on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, very good. Let's try from the beginning. Here we go. All of it. Let's try. So 5, 6, 7. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, up, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, kick, 5, 6, 7, freestyle, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, close, 1, 2, 3, faster, 5, 6, 7, 8, down. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made today. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Alright? See you next time. Merry Christmas.